Satanic cults, and ritual crime. The continuing satanic panic distracts from the programming controls and the real networks of crime. Satanism is not the Catholic or Orthodox or merely non-Christian practices. Using police to harass people over religious differences is criminal and can produce the crime that people fear. Satanism is not a trend, but prehistoric. And one of the things that's common with this satanic crime, real or presumed, is that it's people that are very into fiction to the point where they form behaviors and rituals based on the movies. So, Satanism isn't metal. It's not a horror movie. Although there are factions where that takes place, the same people could be the sort that watch a movie about the knights and stuff like this and, xenophobically go out and do stuff.